Okay, so welcome to one of my office listings here at the Grand Traditions in Stonebridge Ranch. If you're looking for a low maintenance home, plenty of space, this one's a great option for you to consider. We've got 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3 full baths. So that's a nice touch. We're gonna walk right in. Over here to the right's our dining area. Nice and large, plenty of light. Got a little storage cubby over there. Owner's in the process of moving, so not gonna show that today. Here's the nice kitchen, great island. It's got new flooring and carpet throughout, freshly painted. Laundry room over here. Nice cooktop. So notice the quartz countertops and the nice backsplash. Over here's the garage, 2-car garage. Smaller backyard back here. I'm gonna go out there, it's a little windy today. See plenty of space down here. If you like to entertain, it's a good place. Okay, we're gonna look at the first of 4 bedrooms here. It's one of the full baths downstairs. And the one and only bedroom downstairs. So you have guests coming to visit, somebody staying for a while. They've got a bathroom right outside. Let's walk up the stairs here. We're gonna go up to the right to one of the secondary bedrooms. It's got that nice window seat up here too. Good sized rooms. All have nice closets. Now I'm gonna walk down the hall to, here's one of the other secondary bathrooms. Nice and redone for you too. Okay, and this is one of the other 2 secondary bedrooms upstairs. Got nice modern lighting too. Forgot to point that out to you. Okay, and here's the master. Very spacious sitting area. Got his and her closets. His and her vanities as well. Separate shower, separate tub. Can you see yourself here? Just reach out to us, give us a call. Have a great day.